the Azimio la Umoja Parliamentary Group meeting. Let's take a listen.
It's a very old, tested tactic in the military that you divide them so that they become weak and then you can be able to rule them. So if you do not bond and become united, you're going to be ruled throughout the life of this parliament. Yet you have got the numbers, the strength to be able to be the rulers in the house. So let me begin first by congratulating each one of you on your election to lead your people and to make a contribution to the destiny of our country. As I stated during our final rally on the 6th of August at Kasarani, and some of you will remember this, we went to the polls with our country at inflection point. I stated then that either something very good will happen or something terrible would happen. I said we had a choice of the promised land, but the land of bondage was also within sight, and the Pharaohs was refusing to let our people go. As we gather here, that reality is with us. We have had the worst election since the return of multi-party politics in our country. At the presidential level, it is not possible to tell whether we had elections at all. But even at the lower levels of polls, I believe that a number of our people were rigged out to pave way for an UDA majority, and that during election petitions, this will be proved to have been the case. But I mentioned petitions with some trepidation. First, you have noticed the corruption, the dysfunction, the incompetence, and the capture of the IEBC, the body charged with carrying out elections in our country. Secondly, you have noticed the attitude, the thuggery, the corruption, and the cynicism of the Supreme Court judges. The words that the Chief Justice used against us have never been used in our courts, even in the dark days of single-party rule and state capture of the judiciary. Our case, presented by the country's finest legal mind, as no more than hot air, a wild goose chase, incredible and hearsay evidence, red herring. These were words of the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya. It is my experience that whenever judges resort to insults on litigants and advocates, it is the result of a disturbed conscience. You have been